In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Lovable code to Replit. We'll walk through the full process of taking a project from Lovable, connecting it through GitHub, and then opening and running that same project inside Replit. This is a useful workflow if you want to keep developing, testing, or sharing your app in a cloud-based coding environment. To get started, open your project in Lovable. From there, go into your project settings and make sure the project is successfully synced to a GitHub repository. This is an important first step because Replit will use that GitHub repository to import your code. Before moving on, just confirm that the sync is complete and that the latest version of your project is available in GitHub. Once that's ready, open Replit in your web browser and log into your account. After you're signed in, look for the option to create a new repo or import from GitHub. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the current Replit interface, but the goal is the same. You want to bring in an existing repository rather than start from scratch. Next, import the repository. You can do this by pasting in the GitHub repository URL for your Lovable project, or by connecting your GitHub account and selecting the repository directly from the list. If you have multiple repositories, take a moment to choose the correct one so you're importing the right project. After the repository loads into Replit, open the workspace shell and let the environment finish setting up. In many cases, Replit will automatically detect your project type and begin installing dependencies using the package manager already defined by the project, such as npm or yarn. It's a good idea to watch for any install errors at this stage so you can catch issues early. You'll also want to configure any required environment variables. If your app depends on secret keys, API settings, or other private configuration values, add those using Replit secrets rather than placing them directly in your code. That helps keep sensitive information secure while allowing the app to run properly. Finally, run the development server. In the Replit console, enter your project's run command, such as npm run dev, and start the app. Replit should then launch your Lovable project so you can test it live in the browser. If everything is configured correctly, your app should now be running inside Replit with your code imported from Lovable through GitHub. And that's how to export Lovable code to Replit.